Okay, so fruit into baskets. You are visiting a farm that has a single row of fruit trees left to right. Type of fruit we see on the tree. You want to collect as much, however the owner has some strict rules. You have 2 baskets and each basket can hold only a single type of fruit. So we collect 2 types and we want to collect most fruit. So I want the largest, so basically we want the largest subarray with at most 2 distinct values. I think that's it. So that's pretty easy linear time construction, I think. So fruits, and then so basically just 2 pointers we extend until we find at most 2 fruits. Like, that is so trivial, it's ridiculous. Then we want this. And we want fast remove, I guess, so yeah, doesn't matter. So count is this, some dictionary, or let's do default dict int, and then we want to do, so far we have 0, so while r is n, then we need this. If since fruits r is 0 and since is 2, break, right? So we cannot take this fruit because that would be the third fruit we have, great. Otherwise cent plus equals cent fruits r equals 0, maybe, I don't know. Okay, and then since fruits r plus equals 1 and r plus equals 1, fair enough. Ans max ans r minus l, while l is smaller than r, and cent over 1, so I want just one element there. If cent fruits L1 and no, I just want to do cent minus equals counts fruits L equals 1. Okay, so if we are gonna remove it, then we subtract the count we have, so fruits L, fruit size fruits L, so we can actually just use like, don't have to use a hash map, which is potentially very slow. Can use this. I also need ans, fair enough. enough, and then we do this, which is minus equals 1, and then L plus equals 1, and then return ans. Who cares? Maybe, okay, that's some infinite loop. Fair enough. Let's see. Not even the first one gonna finish. So 2 free, 2 free. If R is n, break. That's it. Okay. Remove this, submit. Okay, that's a simple as sliding window. So intuition, we want to find the length of the longest subarray with at most 2 distinct elements. We can start by extending the right side of the window until we So we can start by extending on the window until we have at most 3 elements. Then we shrink the window from left until we have a single element, excluding the third distinct element, and repeat to keep track of distinct elements in the current window. Fast, we can use an array with counts of each type of fruit, since there is since the types are at most n-1 are from range 0 and -1. We to keep count of distinct elements, we keep their counter, which is updated when a count of some type is from 0 or which is updated or when which is updated when a count of some time is incremented from 0 or when a count of some type is decremented to 0 is not occurring in the window anymore. It is a new distinct element in the window. Okay, and I think that's it. Oh, and since we move both ends of the window at most n times, and for each of them for each of their positions we do O1 work. Space complexity is O(n) since we keep counts of each type of fruit post. Goodbye.